boy T. I'm back again with another YouTube video. Another beater box as usual, man. This box was a 1160 or 1175 from Supremacy. Trying to be quiet, my little boy back there asleep. I don't want to wake him up. Been a long time no see y'all, but y'all know I'm always working. This right here, like I said, was a 1175 box. So far, all the boxes I've been getting have been like really good. This is about my probably 5th or 6th box this month of January, and all the boxes have been fire lately. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing a lot of the little pickups I've been getting. Most of those are all from beater boxes. I hardly ever even strike on sneakers app. I don't think nobody I know has luck on there anymore. But I am super curious to see what we got in this one. I ain't gonna hold too much of y'all time today. Jump on in. The Yeezys. We got some 380s in a size 4. Size 4 Yeezys. Bay size, a kid size. These are dead stock. Still got the extra laces, the tag is on the other one. All that cool stuff. I don't know the nickname to those, but size 4 on those. Gonna be a super easy move. Nothing's easier than dead stock Yeezys or ones right now. Get this beat up box out the way. Sneaker exchange box, a premium box. These are a size 12. Adidas. Look to be dead stock. Don't know what these are at all. These things are long, so I don't know what. Size 12 on these. Check them out. I had the names and all that stuff down below. I'm unfamiliar with these. They feel like a super premium shoe though. Golly, that leather feels great on these. Look like old shell toe. This is still dead stock. Still got the tags on these also. I just recently had a box where every shoe was dead stock in it. That'd be dope if this was the same. But that's a rare occasion. You guys can tell from the box what we got here. Size 8. Size 8. These are not a size 8, and these are not an Ultra Boost. Pull these bad boys out. Fire. Raptor 7s. These are hard. These are definitely not a size 8. Size 10.5. My size on these. I actually just sold a pair of these to the homie here locally. These actually seem to be in better condition, so I don't need to keep anything for myself right now, but these are fire. These are dope. These are probably the best 7s to ever drop, in my opinion. I'm super drained today, man. Today was leg day. I'm tired. We have a Kobe, size 10.5. Kobe 9. These are the USA Kobe's. I remember when these came out. These are pre-owned, so I'm gonna show y'all both of them. Check these out. Size 10.5 on these. Little USA colorway. United States vibes on these. I don't know if Kobe 9s are comfortable. I've never had a pair of Kobe 9s. I don't think I have. I probably have, but don't remember. Not a bad little colorway though. Red, white, and blue. Kobe 9s. Is Kobe shoes still skyrocketing right now? I don't know. I got 4 boxes left. Woo! We got some foams. What size are these? Ooh, these 10.5s. These are the foam ones anniversaries. The 20th anniversary. They got the XX and Roman numerals on the box. I remember when these came out. Dead stock too. Easy move right here. This is one of the best colorways and foams to me. That blue just hit. These are fire. Penny Hardaway logo on the back. Check that out. I mean, man, I know foams ain't hitting like they used to, but there's still some foam heads out there. These are real nice. These are real nice. I myself never really got on the foam, bandwagon. I have a few. I like them. They cool, but I remember when people was tripping over phones. We got a Vapor Max. I never seen this box. By Mark Newson. Size 11. Come with a little bag right here. I don't even know who Mark Newson is. And see, man, I was on the Vapor Max. You been following the channel, you been following me, period. You know I was riding that Vapor Max bandwagon hard until they started doing stuff like that. What is this, man? Who is Mark Newson and why? What is this? They have a Velcro strap. I still like the Vapor Max bottom. But this top part, what is that? Check these out. I've never seen these before. And this is kind of one of the reasons why I stopped following the Vapor Max so hard, because it was random stuff like this that kept coming out, and I was just like, all right, I'm done. And I still got, I don't even know how many I got in my personal collection. I rocked a pair earlier today, but Mark Newson, bro, I don't know who you are, but got a cool little bag. Size 11 on those. Got a New Balance. Is New Balance hot right now? Cause I've been getting a ton of New Balances. I got one box that had 4 pair of New Balances. And then I start seeing what they going for now. And I guess is New Balance the wave, man. Y'all tell me, cause I guess so, cause I've been getting a bunch of them. These are size 12. Man, this box is weird, bro. What is this? They got that vibrant bottom. These are dead stock, size 12 on these. But this is like some sort of sandal. Man, y'all, I don't even know what to say. If it was a shoe, I bet it would be comfortable. I don't know. It's like some hiking sandal. I definitely gotta do my research on these, because your boy is lost in the sauce. I have no idea. What is this? I don't know. Somebody tell me. They dead stock though, so if you're gonna get some sandals, at least they dead stock, right? We got a LeBron. I thought it was gonna end with something crazy. No ones here. LeBron 11. Size 10 and a half. Oh, size 10 and a half on these. Man, I really gotta give me a new set. LeBron, King of the Throne, or Watch the Throne, or something like that. Size 10 and a half. These are not dead stock. You can see from the bottom. But overall condition is not bad at all. These are Watch the Thrones. I think that's what these are called. Something like that. LeBron. Sorry this box didn't come. As soon as I decided to record a box, I didn't get no ones or nothing. I'm sitting on a ton of ones. Somebody just hit me up for a beater box, and they want ones and Yeezys. So I'm sitting on a bunch of ones, bunch of Yeezys. And then I was hoping we have a better box, but it's all good. I don't know the value of a lot of this stuff. Obviously, sandals and whoever Mark Newson is with these Vapor Maxes, maybe they worth a couple $100. I don't know. But yeah, I got another box over here. It's a $850 box or whatever. I think it's $850 or $8 or $950. I don't know. I might have time to shoot that one too. If not, then I'll catch you guys on the next video. I don't know. I got boxes coming in so fast, it don't even make no sense. I'm looking this way. I should be looking at y'all right here. Anyway, I think that's gonna do it. Appreciate each and every one of y'all putting in orders, hitting me up on Instagram. I know I haven't been posting on the for sale page. Stuff been coming in, going out real fast. So follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE, Instagram at TGOTSOLE for sale. And I think that's gonna do it. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate the 2 homies that hit me up for the beater boxes. Those will be going out. Everybody who's been getting them, loving them. I think I got one more left, so y'all need a beater box, let me know. Hit my DM or something like that. We can work out a deal, figure something out. I think that's it. I'm gonna quit ranting. I'm out. Peace.